This is Passang's kitchen. And let's see what she's making today. It's a ground beef, and here's a dough. And here's she making a
Momo.
Momo. Hi Passang.
Hello.
What is the recipe in your Momo today?
Onion and beef.
Oh, onion and beef.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how you're making Momo, right?
Yes.
Let's see how Passang making all this Momo. Let's see. Okay, here you go. It's looking great. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
And she made how many momos? Let's see. 3 mokza.
Only this.
That's a steamer. That's a steamer where you can make all the momos. And everyone, this is a Passang kitchen. She's a member of Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, so you see her skill. This is not only her art form, but she know all this, how to cook, how to prepare the momo delicious.
I'm gonna make the round one.
Yeah. So she's going to feed today all the Pah-Lak team who living in this beautiful house. So pesho. Thank you, Passang.